Hey there, dough whisperers. Ready to get hands-on with your sourdough? Today, we're diving into the art and science of folding dough. Yes, it's like giving your dough a gentle hug. But there's more to it than just affection. Folding isn't just about shaping, it's a crucial step that strengthens our dough's gluten network, giving it structure and that oh-so-satisfying chew. Think of gluten as the dough's skeleton, and every fold is like a yoga session, making it more flexible and strong. Here's the fun part. You don't need any fancy equipment, just your hands, a bit of flour, and your dough. It's time to get tactile. Picture yourself as a dough DJ, remixing flour, water, and air into the hit track, Loaf is in the Air. But why fold? Each fold introduces air into the dough, helping our little yeast friends breathe and grow, leading to a lighter, airier bread. Imagine your dough is doing lunges and squats, getting buff for the big bake-off. So let's get folding. Lift, stretch, and fold. Then turn your bowl and repeat. It's like tucking your dough into bed, but instead of a blanket, use its own cozy layers. Remember, great bread is a labor of love and science. By understanding and enjoying the process, you're not just baking, you're creating edible masterpieces. Let's fold our way to glory.